is for ant. 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 A. Ant. B is for ball. 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 C is for cat. 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 D is for dinosaur. 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 B is for egg. Egg. F is for fish. Fish. G is for glove. Glove. H is for hat. Hat. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jacket. Jacket. J jacket. K is for kitten. 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 L is for ladder. Ladders. Ladder. M is for mittens. Mittens. N is for nose. Nose. O is for owl. Owl. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q is for queen. Queen. Q, queen. R is for ruler. S is for sandwich. Sandwich. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. This is for vacuum. Vacuum. W is for worm. Worm. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider tried climbing up the tree. He met a little ladybug who said, "Come climb with me." But then the wind came whirling, it blew the leaves away. The spider held on tightly, he would not fly away. The clouds came back a-rumbling, the thunder gave a roar. The drops fell down like diamonds and splashed across the floor. The spider found a mushroom to hide beneath its cap. He hummed a little spider tune and took a cozy nap. The sun peeked through the raindrops and made a rainbow high. The itsy bitsy spider said, "I'll climb up to the sky." He climbed along the colors, red, orange, green, and blue. He reached the purple tippy top and waved to me and you. The itsy bitsy spider built a house on wheat, right beside the flowers on a quiet garden street. He spun a shiny web that sparkled in the sun, and said, "Each climb I've taken has made me strong and fun." The happy ending, now when the rain comes tumbling and thunder shakes the sky, the spider keeps on smiling and waves the The sun is waiting to shine again someday. The itsy bitsy spider will climb another way. Short, fine wee frame, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up once more, brave and happy like before. A is for apple, apple, apple. A apple. B is for bear, bear, bear. B bear. C is for clock, clock, clock. D is for donut, donut. E is for elephants, elephants, elephants. E elephants. F is for fire, fire, fire. G is for glasses, glasses, glasses. H is for hands, hands. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jacket, jacket. K is for keyboard, keyboard. K, keyboard. L is for ladybug, ladybug. L, ladybug. M is for mittens, mittens. M, mittens. N is for nest, nest. O is for owl, owl. P is for pencil, pencil. Q is for queen, queen. Q, queen. R is for rock, rock. S is for snow, snow. T is for truck, truck. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, kiss, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zipper, zipper.
A is for alligator, alligator. B is for banana, banana. C is for cupcake, cupcake. D is for diamonds, diamonds. E is for elephant, elephant. S is for fairy, for fairy. G is for glasses, glasses. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for keyboard, keyboard. L is for ladybug, ladybug. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for needle, needle. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pizza, pizza. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rocket, rocket. S is for spider. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, for violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, kiss xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zipper, zipper. Let's learn our letters, A to Z. Now you know your sounds with me.
Jumping on the bed.
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
no more jumping on the bed.
Doctor said,
no more jumping on the bed.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
no more jumping on the bed.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
no more jumping on the bed.
A is for apple. Apple. B is for baby. Baby. C is for candy. Candy. D is for diamonds. Diamonds. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fairy. Fairy. G is for glasses. Glasses. H is for hands. Hands. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for Jerry. Jerry. K is for keyboard. Keyboard. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for needle. Needle. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pony. Pony. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S is for spider. Spider. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin.
A is for airplane, 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 airplane. B is for book, book, book. C is for car, car, car. D is for diamonds, diamonds. E is for elephants, elephants, elephants. F is for flower, flower. G is for grapes, grapes, grapes. H is for horse, horse. I is for insect, insect, insect. I insect. J is for jacket, jacket. J is jacket. K is for king, king, king. L is for leaf, 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 leaf. M is for mouse, mouse, mouse. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus, octopus. Oh, octopus. P is for pony, pony, pony. Q is for queen, queen. R is for robot, robot. S is for star, star. Key is for train, train. U is for uniform, uniform. V is for violin, violin. W is for window, window. Window. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is a zoo. A is for airplane, airplane, airplane. B is for book, book. C is for car, car. D is for diamonds, diamonds. E is for elephants, elephants. F is for flower, flower. G is for grapes, grapes, grapes. H is for horse, horse. I is for insect, insect. J is for jacket, jacket. K is for king, king. L is for leaf, leaf. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pony, pony. Q is for queen, queen. U is for robot, robot. S is for star, star. T is for train, train. U is for uniform, uniform. V is for